Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, Mom.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
Are you ready for school?
I think so.
Are you nervous?
A little.
That is okay.
Okay.
Is your uniform okay?
Yes. Is it good?
Yes, you look very nice.
Thank you, Mom.
Let's check your bag. Books, pencils,
Lunchbox. I have everything. Is my bag too heavy?
No, it's not too heavy.
It feels big.
That's all right, Lily. Means you're growing up. Here, take this.
What is it?
Let's go to school.
Okay, Mom. There are many kids. Mom, new friends?
Yes, new friends.
Mom, I am scared.
It's okay, sweetie. You'll be great. You are brave.
Am I? Mom, new friends?
Yes, new friends. Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Lily.
This is your classroom.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
I will see you later.
Okay, Mom.
Have a nice day.
Bye, Mom and Dad. Oh no,
What happened?
I dropped my things.
It is okay. Hold your bag tight.
Yes, teacher.
Come in, Lily.
Yes, teacher.
Sit here, please.
Okay, thank you.
Class, this is Lily.
Hi, everyone. Hello, Lily. Hi. Come sit with us. Okay.
Take out your notebook.
Yes, teacher. I am ready.
Where is your name tag?
My name tag? It is not here.
It is okay. Don't worry. Let me check.
Thank you.
I see something.
Where?
Here you are.
Thank you, teacher.
Now it won't fall.
Thank you so much. I have it now.
Good job. Let's continue.
Yes, teacher.
Let's write your name.
Okay. Lily.
Good. Nice writing.
Thank you. I like red.
I like blue.
Oh no, my pencil is broken. You can use mine. Thank you. You're welcome.
Time for break.
Break time. Do you want to play? Yes. This is fun. Yes.
They are doing well.
I like school. I am back.
Good.
What is this?
It is a book.
Very good.
Thank you.
Time for lunch.
Lunchtime. I have rice. I have noodles. Is it tasty? Yes, very good.
Eat slowly, please.
Yes, teacher. All done.
Clean your desk, please.
Okay. All done.
You did great.
Thank you. School is almost over.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Lily!
Mom, Dad! There's our girl!
How was school?
It was great!
How was your day?
It was good.
You look happy.
I am happy.
You still have your name tag?
Yes, I kept it. I dropped it in class.
Really?
I was scared.
It is okay now.
Who helped you?
My teacher and my friend.
That's very good.
Yes.
You did well today.
Thank you, Dad.
Are you nervous now?
No, I feel better.
It is okay to ask for help.
I know.
Tomorrow will be easier.
Yes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.